Look at that, guys. It's going and it's windy, guys. It's windy. And this is the storm we were waiting, and it finally arrived. And my mistake, I did not feed before I came inside. And it's I have another 2 hours before feeding time. And the snow, it's blowing, and it's blowing to the mountain, guys. And you can see, and it's about 35 to 40 miles an hour, as you can see out there in the bukid. Malamig, guys. I gotta go. And my dog, look at that, they're eating snow. Guys, you ready to go inside? Let's go guys, inside. Look at that, they are coming down. Boy, the wind, it's blowing hard, guys. The wind is blowing hard, and look at that. Wow. Oh boy, this is what they're talking about. We're gonna have a big snow. I would like to go out there and see if I can come. Oh boy, guys, I gotta go. I'm over here in the snow, guys. No jacket, I only have some short. Look at me. And the snow, it's coming down right on my face. Hello. This is the weather that we like to have. Thank you, Lord. We have some good weather. Not even my corgi, it's loving it. Way! Oh my God. Ang lamig, guys. Ang lamig. Who wants to come in here? And I have to go back inside, guys. The wind is blowing. Oh my, it's cold. Hi guys, malakas talaga ang hangin. Ang snow on and off, guys, on and off. It's feeding time, and I just had to put a plastic on my video camera because the wind is blowing so hard, and cold, of course, it's cold. So tara na. And the ground, I mean the snow, it's in the bottom, it's sliding, so I have to be careful where I'm walking, guys. My, it is so cold, guys. I'm telling you, the wind is not helping at all. We're gonna have a bad weather coming up tonight, and the wind is 5 miles plus an hour right now, and of course it's making me off balance, and you can see the tree is shaking, guys. It's shaking, and thank God that we're gonna be inside here soon. So it is blowing, guys, and all my family are enjoying the weather, and I'm here right now, and I am cold, guys, really cold. I don't know if I got a audio on my video because I put it inside a Ziploc bag. Just make sure that it won't get trapped in the snow, because I'm having a little problem on charging them when it's had moisture inside the charger part of the cell phone. So guys, I am going to feed, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my camera in here and watch me feeding the animal, of course. And I don't care, it's just gonna be a little bit kind of hard to control in here. Hold on, guys. Oh, the wind is blowing. Not helping. Oh my. It's all coming back on me, guys. less. All the hay got come back. So they're everywhere right now, guys, the hay. But that's alright. You see, it's a little bit clear, but you see that dark gray area? That's the storm that is starting to come in. And see how, oh, all the way here, it's beating up the tree. It's really windy in here and cold. Oh, I don't like what I see over here on top of the chicken house. One of the shingle or roof, it's kind of ready to collapse on me. Hold on, guys. Blow away our phone, corgis. There we go, guys. Put it inside the wheelbarrow. I do. And you can see, and you can hear that wind is blowing hard. Almost done, guys. The wind is blowing hard and I got a hard time pushing my wheelbarrow, and the snow, it's soft and the bottom is ice, and I don't have any traction pushing them. Alright, it's windy, guys, and the snow start to come back again. Oh boy, Corgi is loving it, and I enjoy pushing my wheelbarrow and fight just to push it to where I want to put them. So anyway, guys, that's about it. I have some little update in my life here in the bukid. And of course you can see some of the snow is right on top of the roof, staying there, and it's melting and it's turning some of it ice. That's an oxymoron. Okay guys, the snow start to come down again. Alright, I gotta do my chore. Done playing. Gotta take care of my animals before it gets so cold, guys. Okay.